What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing analysis on TSLA ticker. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news of this company and with the news from Cathe and from Chamath Palihapitiya and how these two persons can affect the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and I will share my technical analysis and the probable forecast for the price action. So let's start with the price chart. We have a very good movement from the beginning of October till the end of January, and I did a couple of videos about this ticker at the end of January, and I've told you that we have to go lower from this point because we were extremely on overbought territory, and all of the tools and all of the indicators shows me that we can go lower, and basically it happened. And why I am starting to do another update on this ticker, and here is why. As you can see, we have this movement to the upside that broke this previous swing high, and it is extremely important that we broke it for now because we invalidated the count where we might go lower, even lower than the range of $542. And I will show you in my technical analysis what am I talking about, but for now let's continue with the fundamentals. So let's start with the company profile. Everybody knows what is this company about, and let me show you just some numbers. For now, the total market cap of this company is $767.74 billion. They have a revenue of $41.86 billion with a net income of $2.18 billion. They have a very good revenue growth of 62.84%, and their total cash position is $16.23 billion with a total debt of only $11.17 billion. And they have a current ratio, as in a textbook, of 1.51. So, and let me show you that the main concern of some analysts is about this number. PE ratio of 408.64. It is extremely high PE ratio, and that's why a lot of analysts told that this company is extremely overvalued. And that is why on tpranks.com, as you can see, we are on ticker Tesla. We have 26 ratings, and the lowest estimation, the lowest price point, according to this data, is $150, and the highest price point is $1.2 thousand per share, and it is extremely huge spread, and that's why you have to be cautious and do your own due diligence and decide whether or not you want to invest in this company. So, and let me show you institutional investors of this stock for this company, and we have a lot of filings, and I don't want to dive deep right here. I just want to tell you some general numbers. For now, this company in total has 3,240 institutional investors. 3,076 of them have a long position, 67 of them have a short position, and 97 of them have a mixed position. So I have to say that a lot of institutional owners are extremely bullish on this company. That is why we have this massive PE ratio of 408. So, and let me show you some latest news. We are on Seeking Alpha, and this article was published just yesterday, and it's titled Tesla tops expectations with Q3 deliveries of 241,000. And let me quote you these bullets. Tesla reports that it produced approximately 238,000 vehicles in Q3 and delivered 241.3 thousand vehicles. The consensus street estimate was for around 233,000 vehicles delivered in the quarter that saw supply chain constraints hit hard in July and August. The quarterly tally for the electric vehicle juggernaut included Model S and X deliveries of 9,275 vehicles and Model 3 and Y deliveries of 232,025 vehicles. Wedbush Securities forecast Tesla will deliver around 890,000 to 900,000 range for the full year. So, a lot of estimations for now tells us that we might see around 1 million deliveries for the full year 2021 for this company, and it is extremely high number. And let me remind you that if I remember it correct, last year they delivered only 300,000 vehicles, somewhere at that point. And during this year they launched 2 gigafactories, and it is also a very good sign for their deliveries. And on top of that, they beat the market with their FSD system. And that is why, in my opinion, they have this extremely high PE ratio. And that is why a lot of investors believe in this company, and they believe that this company will hit $1,500 per share. So, and let me show you some news related to this company. On September 29th, we have this article that is published. One-time big Tesla bull Chamath Palihapitiya says he sold his position. And let me quote you these bullets. Social Capital founder CEO Chamath Palihapitiya revealed that he sold his Tesla position for capital to invest in other investment ideas. He said he excited his bet on the Elon Musk-led electric vehicle company in the last year or so, as the high prices allowed him to generate cash to fund his other ideas. So, we all know that Chamath is a king of SPACs, and he can produce 2 to 3x in a matter of just a couple of months with his SPAC mergers. And that is why, for now, it is a very wise idea to sell the entire amount of his shares, because he just needs money to fund his other ideas, where he can make much more gains and where he can make much more profits within less period of time. And another news right here, let me show you that we are on CatheSark.com website, and right here, as you can see, we are on Tesla ticker and on ARKK Holdings fund, and these red dots show us that this fund is selling Tesla stocks. And a lot of analysts and a lot of YouTubers as well told that Cathe is disappointed with Tesla stock, and that's why she sells this asset. But guys, let me show you that in total she has more than 7.27% of her entire portfolio only in Tesla, and her position is more than $2.78 billion. Still very high number. And she sold just a fraction of these shares, and only ARKK fund for now has more than 2.5 million shares, and it is extremely high number of shares. And this movement, this sell-off, is just a rebalancing of her portfolio, and because of the nature of funds, she has to do this rebalancing in order to stay profitable, in order to stay in line with the expectations of investors. And that's why I think it is not a bad sign. And basically, I have nothing to add to this news. Let's continue with the technical analysis. And before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, why I started to make a video about Tesla right now? Because we broke this resistance. Let me mark it for you. This resistance was broken this week, and this breakout invalidated this count. The simple zigzag that might be right here, and with the C wave we might go even lower. And with this breakout we invalidated this ABC correction, and this means our ABC correction for now is right here. This is the bottom, and it is a double bottom with the A wave, and it is extremely bullish pattern. So let me show you that on a log scale, on a daily time frame, we can see several waves, and definitely this triangle shows us that this is the third wave. And in my opinion, we might have something like this. This is our first wave, second, third, fourth and fifth. Let me show you the wave itself. And this movement has a retracement to these levels, and let me show you that for now we have this reaction from 0.382 level, and this reaction is very bullish, I have to say. We have a double bottom pattern, and it is extremely bullish for any asset, and that's why, in my opinion, after this breakout we might see higher targets, and we might break this previous all-time high. So what to expect next? In my opinion, if it is the real case, if we finished all 5 waves, we can project new targets. And to do so, I pull the Fibonacci extension tool from the bottom of entire movement to the top of this movement and to the bottom of the retracement. And here are some levels. With the assumption that this is the first wave, or on a worst case scenario, it is the third wave. In this case, our price target is at the level of $1,216 right here. And with the extension in fifth wave, if it is the fifth wave, we might have this range at 1-to-1 extension at the price point of $1,400 as our second target. And third target might be even right here at 1.618 extension level. And it is confluence with the potential third wave. If we've just finished the first wave, we might hit this level, and in this case it might be our primary target. But it is a long-term target, I have to say. But still, from our current price, we might have about 2x to this level, to the level of $1,400. And it is extremely juicy profits with this type of company, with this huge market cap. So, I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!